Hello and welcome back, and thank you for helping us again to develop our TaxiOwl app.
Okay.
First of all, just for the sake of the recording, can I please ask your name and your occupation?
Marcella Hanley, I'm a producer and actor.
Thank you very much. So, like with the previous user test, just to remind you that we're not testing you, we're testing the design of the app.
Okay.
There are no right or wrong answers, and if there are any problems, it's not your fault, it's a fault of the app.
Okay.
Can I please ask you to be as candid as possible? So if you don't like something or you think it's a bit silly, just say so.
Okay.
And most importantly, please think aloud when you're navigating the app. Tell us what you're trying to do, what you're looking for, and maybe what you might expect to happen when you click at a certain link.
Okay.
And if you get stuck, please let me know, because it helps us understand what's going through your mind and helps us take notes as to what people are running into problems with. In order to keep the test as realistic as possible, I won't be able to help you or answer any of your questions until after the demonstration.
All right.
Now, obviously, this isn't a real app yet, but a lot of the buttons and links won't work.
Okay.
So, if I can please ask you to start by going through the login process and then proceeding to the home page, where you'll then proceed with plotting your location and destination.
Okay. So I start now, yeah?
Yep.
Okay, I'm just going to click on here. Okay, so I just have to put in my username. So I'll just do that now. That's done. And my password. And that's done. And I see the login has illuminated, so I'm just going to log in now. Okay, so I'm going to just hit on the plot your route here. And I see that I can plot my location by either the map pin or by text. And the GPS isn't there anymore. I see you got rid of that option. So I'm just going to click on the by map pin first. I want to see there's my destination. Very good. So that has the pin start location is done. So I'm just going to go done. And then I see I can either do it by text as well. So I'm just going to try that and see what it looks like. Must be very good. So I can just type that in. That's done. And then I can also plot my destination. So I'm just going to hit the by pin there. So I pinned my destination just here. That's great. And I have a choice of putting that in by text as well. So very good. So that's done as well. Oh, it's plotting my route, which is great. Oh, so very good. So it has, okay, so it has my destination to and from, and my average price and the distance, which is good, and the optimum route, and the route that I'm on at the moment. So I'm just gonna see. So okay, so it alerts me then if the taxi goes off route. So that's gone off route by half a kilometre.
That's great. And can I now ask you to please use any means necessary to make an emergency contact?
Okay, so I'll just try this 999 here for the emergency services. And so that's going to call the 999. So I'm just going to end call there. Very good. And then it has an SMS for, okay, so that's going to get in touch with a text alert for a friend. So that has the GPS location that I'm at, time, and a taxi firm, which is very good. Okay, so it's gone back to the home page.
So if you could please now proceed with the following tasks: loading a saved route, finding a local taxi firm, and then finally to rate that local taxi firm.
Okay, so I'm just going to hit on this one here to load a saved route. Okay, so I'm going to just load up the first one, the Kildare Street one. So it gives me the distance and the price as well, and the taxi firm. So I'm just going to load that. Okay, that's very good. And I can use the local taxi firm, so I'm just going to try them. Also, I see you made the text here a bit bigger from the last one, so it is a bit more legible. It was very hard to hit on the last one. So I'm just going to hit on the ABC taxi down here. And that's so it gives all their details and their web link, and I'm just going to dial their number. So that's dialing away, that's great. So and end that call. And then I'll rate that taxi firm. So there's ABC taxis when I used, so rate them. Okay, so I see you have like a few different options: friendliness, value for money, cleanliness, punctuality, overall. So I'm gonna hit on these. give them a rating. So I'll submit that rating. So
That's
very good.
great. Thank you very much for that.
You're welcome.
Would you have any criticisms of the app at this stage? Was there anything else you'd like to see changed?
No, I don't think so. Like, I mean, it was very good that you have the emergency services section on it, which I think that's very good, and the text a friend, because even if nothing happens, it's good to have a little record of your journey, just in case for something else.
That's great. Thank you very much again
Okay.
for your help with our development of this app.
No problem. Thank you.